Welcome back to my small business support Saturday review videos. This is a very special small business. I found this business on Instagram, and by the way, if you don't follow my Instagram, please follow on Click Lipstick. Anyways, I found this business on Instagram and I quickly contacted her and asked about the details and found out that they sell on Etsy. And the business that I'm reviewing today is called as KaiaKreates. KaiaKreates creates these beautiful, amazing smelling lip balms, which come in these little boxes and also these tubes. I went ahead and I ordered 3 of these products in different flavors. They are so yummy. And now for the most important part about KaiaKreates. She is 12 years old. Yes, she's 12 and she is running her own business. Her parents are helping out with, the grown-up stuff, but she is extremely proud and very intelligent and makes these lip balms on her own. You guys, she's an entrepreneur. She's a business owner and she is 12. Come on. You guys got to support her. Look her up on Etsy and just get these products. And who does not have use for lip balms? They really smell amazing. The flavors that I got are cappuccino, right there, cappuccino, pink lemonade, and fruit parfait. So all of these, she has cute little stickers, which I perfectly love because they have, lips on them. In my family, we already have picked out which flavors are going to be our favorite. And here I am going to be trying the fruit parfait lip balms. Immediately puts you in a good mood. It feels like you've just had dessert without getting the calories. How cool is that? So excited for your business, for your future, and thanks to your parents for enabling you to create your own business at this young age. I see nothing but good things for you in future. And for all my viewers, please go look these up on Etsy. And I'm going to upload the links and everything. Please go check out the products. It won't hurt you to purchase these products, but it will surely build a lot of confidence, a lot of good things for Kaia. Thank you for watching.